Good afternoon, my name is Jeremy Wood and I will be narrating the ISIS Computer Requisition Portal project. This is the final project for the ISAM 3134 and ISAM 5638 class, taught by Dr. Lin in the fall of 2013. For the purpose of our application, we have three different user roles. We have a requester, an approver, and a fulfillment specialist. A requester is able to request equipment. The approver is able to both request equipment and approve equipment, and finally the fulfillment specialist fulfills the different equipment orders. We will also be using phpMyAdmin to take a deeper dive into the database as we make changes using the application. For example, if we forget our password, if our user has forgotten their password, we can then enter the secret, which the secret here is Duchess, which is Archer's secret code name. And when you do this, you will see that his password is a very insecure Archer. So we'll go back in here and we'll log in. And we will go ahead and change that insecure password to something a little more secure. And we're required to enter a secret, so we'll go ahead and enter that. The password has been updated. We'll go over here to the table and we'll see that his password is now password, which is arguably not more secure, but demonstrates the fact that we are able to change the password. The application has returned to the login screen, and now we're able to log back in with our new password. So first we're going to create a new order, and we'll go ahead and order a desktop with 16 gigs of RAM, a solid state hard drive, and 2 monitors. And we'll go ahead and add another new order, and this will be the EliteBook, his laptop with docking station, and we'll go ahead and make that with 1 monitor and a solid state hard drive, just to show that we can make changes to the different variables within that application. We'll add to cart. As long as we continue adding to the new order, we will only have 1 purchase order. To create multiple purchase orders, you must submit the purchase order, and for example this purchase order is 695723. We can go here and add more items to the requisition, which we'll go ahead and do, and then we'll go back to our submit purchase order, and this is going to show us our grand total. We'll go ahead and submit that purchase order. So now if we go back to submit purchase order, you'll notice there's nothing in the purchase order, and we can create a requisition. We'll go ahead and do that. So we've created 2 purchase orders. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and sign out as Sterling, and I'm going to log in as Mallory. Mallory Archer, as you remember, was our approver. So she will click approve orders, and she will see that Sterling placed 2 orders for equipment. This will give her the total price of the order and a fulfillment code that we will use to fulfill the order. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fulfill only the larger order, because there was a mistake. There shouldn't have been 2 orders entered, just to test the functionality of the application. So we'll go ahead and update this. It will remove that order from our list, and as the fulfillment specialist, we'll be able to log in and fulfill orders. Will show the order detail that this order for this amount needs to be fulfilled, and then to simulate a fulfilled order, we would just grab this unique identifier and paste it in here. The reason we went with the unique identifier was so that we could make sure that it was secure, rather than someone just guessing what the next order number would be. We can go in here into order detail, and you're going to see that we have our what's called the laptop CPU is actually listing our different equipment, and you see our purchase order ID is here. So we have our 3 computers here and our 1 computer there. And we can go to our purchase order side, and we can see that this order is still open because it has not been approved, and this one has been fulfilled. I will go ahead and log back in as Mallory and approve the other order to show the approval process updates as well. And we'll go here, we'll update our database. And now we show that it's approved. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.